Hello world, PDR coming at you here. Excuse the background noise, I'm warming up a dent. You guys see this one right here? It's a large dent on the bottom of a red BMW 99 5 Series. Real nice car, real nice person. There's the dent, there's a broken tip that I'm going to use. I'm going to find a factory hole, which is right here. These 99s all have this really nice factory hole, and that's not going to give me the leverage I need. So let's go with number one. Basically, I got the door jammed open here. I'm going to find my spot, and I'm starting at the top of it up here, and I'm just going to bring it on towards myself. Some nice, even, slow pushes. At this point is when I say I sure do appreciate y'all clicking on the video. I really do. If you would, hit that subscribe button. It helps out the channel down here. The heat helps on this one. It's a large, shallow. I do have a lot of access because I'm just basically right behind it. And it is factory paint, so the paint in 99 on a BMW was actually a very good paint job. You can see there's hardly any orange peel, and I'm making some strong pushes through the center. The one saving grace about this dent is it's underneath that body line, so well, it's kind of windy. Get a little bit more heat here. So yeah, it's a little tougher to see, being that it's on the bottom of a door, but still, we know it's there. We gotta get rid of it. So obviously, no dent is better than a dent. So getting right into the center, I'm making some pretty strong pushes, and we'll just clean up these last little pockets. I know the angle's kind of getting tough, but what I might have to do, wow, that's coming out, is get that board a little bit farther back just so I can see a little bit more. That might make it tougher on you guys, but here's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to move it like 3 or 4 inches. Same level, same angle. Coming back in, and now it gives me a little bit finer of an angle so I can kind of dial right into the lowest portion. So there we go. That one is actually coming out pretty nice, pretty quick for such a large dent. In my first 3 or 4 years of doing dents, I would have taken about an hour to do this dent. And now it's just 20 years later, after the experience of knowing where to push, when to push, how hard to push, how to access it. So use the door jammer to brace it up real quick first, so I know that this door isn't going to move around. And now I've got just a little bit of a wavy low here, guys. Let's get back into it. And excuse the background noise. We're out here in nature with the birds and the semi-trucks. There we go. We're getting that nice and cleaned up. And for any techs with a good eye, I still see it, guys. I still see what you see. But I'm going to spend probably going to spend about 5 minutes working on this finish work, what we call. A couple of videos I did where I showed the finish work. Basically, it just gets really boring watching what I'm doing like right now, which is tiny little pushes finishing out these lows. So instead of bore you with the very finite of tiny pushes that aren't even visible, we're gonna call that one 94 to 95%, and I'll finish the last couple of bits off camera, maybe just a little push right there. But other than that, we got a little one up here. I don't know if we're gonna have on camera or not. I sure appreciate you guys sticking with me through this little video here. If you would, hit that like on the way out. Otherwise, this has been PDR, and I'm out. Peace.